Okay, I hope this is recording. This is February 6th, 2010. We seem to have had a blizzard. I don't know, something like 19 inches of snow. I don't know if you can see I just tried to walk to Bubba and it's over my knees. Can you see this? Bubba, you want that snow? Bubba, you want to go for a walk? Yes, we will. You see Bubba's hole in his igloo is actually a real igloo. It's covered, I don't know, 15, 18 inches of snow. Hey, Bub, what you doing? You like that snow? Oh, okay, we're going to go for a walk. February 6th, 2010. Ace is plowing the driveway. It is not done snowing. It is like a whiteout. And it truly is 18 or 19 inches of snow up past my knees. That's crazy. Wow. But we have the wood burner going. We have the camp stove on. I mean, we got it out to make coffee. Oh, look at these bird feeders. Snow-capped with snow. Okay, I'm huffing here. Okay.